Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto E22i and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the fingerprint. Of course, enter the pattern to confirm or any other screen lock. And here we've got the information of the fingerprint, about the fingerprint, so how it works, etc. So just tap on I agree. And now we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the right side of our device, on the power button, so simply put your finger on it. And right now you have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every section, of course, for better recognition. Okay, we've got it. That was quite fast, so let's tap on done. We do not have a lot of options in the fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. You can remove it or rename it. And you can add another fingerprint, I believe up to 5 fingerprints. Alright, so let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.